Welcome back, guys. Today we have a MX 5800 Kubota. That is actually same 58, 52, 47, and all the rest of the Kubota is the same. So today my alternator is not working. That is keep eating the battery. So when we test, that is making 17 volt extra. So the circuit is short or something else. So we did the new order. The Kubota is very costly. I get from check from eBay, Amazon, Walmart, but I get from the Walmart $100. The Kubota shop is like $600. So I'll show you how to fix this one. So that is the new alternator. I did the order that came in the other day. I'll show you how it looks like. Here is the new alternator. That is the same I get from the Walmart. So I'll show you how to replace. So here is the cover we have to take off. There is only one screw here that need a 12 mm socket. So here is the back I removed. We need to unscrew this and that, two screws, and that need the 12 mm socket for the both. Let me unscrew this one. I removed the top one that can be removed with the 12 mm that need a 14 mm socket. So the both is removed. So now I'm going to take off the fan belt. Here you go. So I did take off the old one, and I have the new one. I'll show you. That is here. That's the new one, and that's the old one I removed. So you can see. Now I will show you how to install it back. So here is the new one. I just push it back, and I'm going to tighten this screw and the bottom one, and the belt is still off, and I'll show you. I can just put the belt on the top, and I'll show you how to tighten this thing. I just plug this wire, I plug that wire. The belt is still loose. I'm going to tighten the belt. So I'll show you how to tighten it. So now is the time to make it tight. So I'll show you how to tighten this thing. I have a big rod. Just insert the rod here and push it down like this way. Push it down, that side down. And so it will. Here. Now I make it tight. So the belt is there, and now I will tighten the screw. And now I will tighten the bottom screw, because I leave that little loose so I can move this thing. And let me tighten the bottom screw, then I'll show you. So now it's tight. I can feel the belt cannot do a little bit up and down. This looks like a very tight. So I will plug the battery back, and let's see how this thing is going to work. Yeah, because before that there was a light for the battery, and now the battery light is gone. And now you can see the new alternator is running really good. belt looks good, everything is looks good. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching.